thinking about you. Everything you do, you don't have a clue how much I miss you, my love. Thinking about you, does that mean I lose? Is this really true? You don't love me like you used to. Thinking about love,